Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. In this video, it'll be quite a special one because, as you can see here, the Top Gun Maverick movie has officially released, and the flight simulator and Microsoft, they have made a update for this, and the new update includes a new plane, which I'll get into later in the video, and some new Maverick activities. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to watch to the rest of the video to find out what that plane is. I'll see you after the intro.
Order 129, left heading 090, descend to maintain 3000. Left heading 090, descend to maintain 3000, Order 129. Number 4518, speed 210, then maintain 4000.
210, then down to 4000.
Showing the 45, fly heading 095, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay guys, so the way you want to get, if you just updated it, you'll see Maverick activities, and then he'll tell you to update it. You want to click on that and it'll send you straight to the marketplace, and then in the marketplace you can see it'll bring you to Top Gun Maverick, and you can install it from here. Now this is about 1 megabyte, so it is quite a big one for the stuff that they've added, so yeah. So now let's get into the challenges. So first one, you have F-18 training and challenges. So we'll just do the challenges. So you can see here there are about 7 challenges. As you can see here, this is the new plane, and this is the carrier landing. So I'll just be doing the carrier landing, and I'll be doing some other stuff, and I'll be showing you how to use that cool new plane that they've added. So I'll tune you guys in when I'm in the game. So as you could see, we are in. Now when you get in, there'll be this animation that comes up. It'll be like Top Gun Maverick in like bold writing. So let's get into it. Okay, so when we get close to it, to the landing carrier, you'll see like a weird thing on the top pop up. That'll help you with your glide slope and landing. So we're just going to try and maintain 140 knots. Try not to go above or under it, or else we might stop. There, you can see here. Now, you don't want that to be up or down. You want it to be straight center, because that's how you know your glide slope is good. So that yellow square, that's your glide slope. So you can see that I have to descend. There we go. You can see the square, the yellow square going down. Gotta align it with the green. Go. It's about good. Yeah, that's about good. See there. There we go. See that little tail hook? Caught it, and there's those strings. So we got a C to about 300,000 points. Click next, and then here you can see your points and what you did good and what you did bad. So here you can see back, restart, Maverick menu, or back to menu. I'm going to click Maverick menu because that's quicker. So now let's do F-18 training. So I would say not to try do the high performance takeoff, because I've tried to do it, but it has been a bit hard. So I'm going to do the ridge crossing. Here you can see what it shows. Go maintain 19,000 feet. You climb bank to 135 degrees. Go down and level out. So you can see I think we're going above a tiny mountain. See here your duration and like maximizing visibility. It just tells you like how it is. Okay, now I'll see you when we're in the flight. Okay, so you can see we're in. That's the brand new livery for the new Maverick movie. So click ready to fly. Your objectives over there. You stay at 90,000 feet, I've already done that, maintain heading, HC, now I've got to descend a little bit, there we go, there, now we've got to go on top of this cloud, approach. So it turns out that thing wasn't enough, so now we are right there. No, not there. That was weird. I guess we just went above, under 18,500 feet, so we'll just do it. Send it. Go. Game kind of glitched. So that's kind of weird. So that should be it, yeah. Got 4,000 points, I got a C. Now, going to go back to the main menu. And I'll see you in the main menu. So you want to click main menu, and yes. Now, I'll see you in the main menu. Goodbye. Okay, so we're now in the main menu. Now this plane, you might have saw it, that beast. Now it is an experimental plane, so there will be some slight problems. You can see the maximum altitude is 150,000 feet. The cruising speed, which means that's how fast it can go when it cruises, which means it could probably go faster, is 5,300 knots. That's insane for a plane with 2 engines. So this plane is in the Navy, but it could only last for 1 hour. Range 2,500 nautical miles. So let's see if there's any liveries. So you can see that's the livery. And so we'll just go over to, say, let's go to Frankfurt. There you go. Take off runway 07 right. And I'll see you when we're in Frankfurt Airport. Okay guys, so we are now in Frankfurt, Maine. So this is the beast itself. It does look way better in flight. See those little engines. They look quite small, but they're probably way bigger in real life. But look at the point over here. Look at that point. I better go off the runway because somebody is not coming in for landing. So this is the cockpit. See here. No, it's not full of buttons. It's not as I expected. I thought it would be more buttons, but it's fine. So, and I will also be going to 150,000 feet, so stay tuned for that. So let's take off. I will be going over us. There's the brakes. You can already see it's booming up, 120 knots already. So I'll try to stay as long as possible on the ground. And then I'll just take off, not instantly, but as quick as possible. Now I do advise you landing in the outside view because you can't really land inside the plane, because it is quite hard there. Now, see, even going at 40 degrees up, going nearly vertically up, now I'm going to so go. Now I'm just going to let the plane speed up a bit and then see you guys when we're at 150,000 feet, because it does take some time for this plane to get up there, even though it can go super fast. It's just quite hard. So I'll see you guys when we're at 150,000 feet. So you can see that the higher you get kind of slower, which is kind of weird, but that's what I meant by take some time. So you just want to level out, wait for the speed to get higher, and then you just want to climb. So I'm going to level out, wait for the speed to get higher, and we do need to refuel, because when that gets to 30%, then the plane will die. It won't die, but it will shut down the engines, which is not what we want. Especially over at 62,000. But can't really do anything. Sometimes when this does happen, you could just go like that. You'll lose like a couple 10,000 feet or something, but you'll gain back your speed, which would help a lot. Or what you could do if you're a PC user, use slew mode, which you could use with developer mode. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to use that, I just put it down in the comments and I will do it for sure. So just fly all the way up. But this is the thing, the Xbox players can't use slew mode, so you kind of have to get on this thing. You can go your own way. But whenever always stalls, which is quite a weird bug. It is an experimental plane, so I'm not surprised. But I'm just going to keep it at active pause, wait for the speed up. This is the weird thing. It says that it's going at 600 knots right now, but it'll just make me stop. So you can see right now I'm stalling. The good thing, if you use slew mode, you could just point your nose down and you'll go like 13,000 miles per second, which is quite cool. So, see our taxi speed is right now 1,000 knots, which is quite surprising how this plane can get up there. I don't know if it can actually get to 150,000 feet without like it stalling, but this is the cool thing about slew mode, because you could just get up there and then go up super fast speeds when you descend. Now I'll just wait and wait and wait. We're going Mach 2 right now, so if you want to go like super hypersonic speeds, then you could just keep on repeating this, like turn on active pause. I'll do it for a second time and then we'll see how fast I go. So we can see we're going 16,000 feet, 16,000 knots. We can go like that, and then go all the way back up to 150,000 feet and nosedive back down. So put your comments down in the comment section below what you think of this plane and if you like it or not. I think it's quite a cool plane. It has quite a cool design. You can see I like the black and how like it's pointed. So you can see we're at 275,000 feet. So do that and boom. We're already going 1,000 Mach 3. Now the maximum it can go is Mach 9, but you can't see that right now. I'm actually going to try and climb to see if we could pull up. Okay, now so you can see that you can't. And when you go like supersonic with this plane, well, I would say jet, yeah, jet. You can't really like steer it or use ailerons or anything. Like it's just frozen unless you slow down, which is quite bad, I would say. But you are going about hypersonic speed, so you can see we're nearly Mach 5. It's incredible how these planes could do that. This isn't even the fastest plane in the world, which is quite surprising. So I would say that. Now, so our Mach is going lower, sadly. But you can see, ooh, okay, so we're just going to do that, and boom. See how fast we're moving, that flight sound. You can see it's hard for me to steer, because we're going that Mach. It's 1,600 knots. So I'm not surprised, but you can see here the max is 9, Mach 9. So if you guys want me to do any more videos with this plane, comment down in the comment section below. So thank you guys very much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked this plane, and to smash that bell to get notifications whenever I post a video.